Hi, good day everyone, and welcome to our channel. Sheven here, and I just do hope that we're all doing fine despite the difficulty of the situation that we're facing nowadays. By the way, for first timers, after watching the video, please subscribe. Got it? Last video, I showed you how to use an egg in thickening a sauce for pasta dish. So, may I remind you again, for every cup of liquid, you need one egg, one whole large egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of cream. You have to mix it together and then stir it into the boiling liquid to thicken it. Okay? That's how to use it. So, today, I will show you how to use a mixture, a combined brown sauce and tomato sauce in preparing a pasta dish. So using two kinds of sauces for a pasta dish. So the brown sauce and the tomato concasse. And then we will enhance it later with, of course, another sauce, which is the pesto. Got it, guys? So, shall we start? We will be making a sauce with a combination of brown sauce and a tomato concasse. I just reserve a little bit of stock in case our sauce is or gets thick. And then our main ingredient is mini beef sausage, homemade. Watch for the recipe next week. And then our vegetables will be chopped onion and garlic and mushrooms. Okay, and our pasta is a linguine. Here's the linguine. It's similar to spaghetti, but it's flat. Now, and then we have also chopped malunggay leaves so that our dish will be much more healthier. And to make our sauce a bit dark and red, we'll be adding a tomato paste. So, and of course, to enhance our pasta dish, we will be adding pesto here. Okay, guys? So, these are our ingredients in our pasta dish today. First, we preheat our wok, and then we'll be adding our oil, our olive oil. Then we'll start to saute our garlic. We have to saute it until it's brown, and then we will add the onions. Okay, the garlic is brown. Now we'll add the onions. We will saute this until it is translucent. And then we will add our tomato paste to make it dark red. You have to make sure that you cook the tomato so it will not turn bitter. Then we will add the brown sauce. And then our tomato concasse. So then we'll add cheese. And then our main ingredient, and our mushroom. So I just use sausage, but feel free to change it to any meat. You could use beef, you could use pork, you could use lamb, you could use chicken, or even seafood. Oh no, not seafood, chicken. Okay. You can use, instead of sausage, you can use quenelles or meatballs or chicken balls or pork balls. Okay. And then we will enhance it with our pesto. We'll add 2 tablespoons of pesto. So it's a little bit thick, so we'll be adding stock to make it thinner. So whenever you cook, make sure you have reserved stock with you, so that if it turns very thick, you could easily adjust the thickness by adding stock. And then we will now add our main dish. We will go to the taste palates of Asians, Filipinos. So we'll be adding a little bit of sugar, so we can adjust to the taste palates of Filipinos. There you go. There goes the sugar. Now we will add our linguine. So there. But you feel free to use any pasta that's available in your stock. Okay. So once again, pasta, when you boil it, for every 100 grams of pasta, 1 liter water, 1 tablespoon oil, then 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, that's the ratio. Okay, so we're done. So we'll just transfer this in our container and then finish everything. Now it's already in our serving dish. We'll just sprinkle grated cheese on top. There we go. And then our chopped malunggay leaves. So there you are, guys. Our linguine with mini sausage, and mushrooms in tomato and brown sauce. Got it, guys? So I hope you learned something today. Well, I believe that I have clearly shown you how to use both brown sauce and tomato concasse in pasta cookery. So, in doing so, you can always change the meat. The sausage, you can change it to beef, to pork, to chicken. And the vegetable, the mushroom, you can also change it. The only thing that is fixed is the procedure. So, by the way, for first timers, don't forget to subscribe. And see you next video for our upcoming videos in culinary tutorial. I would be uploading a video on how to make the beef farce on the next video. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off, and God bless us all.